Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's map the influencing factors of call-to-close ratio in a contact center. Let's talk about one of the most powerful levers behind conversion success: lead quality and targeting. When leads are high quality and well qualified, conversions rise naturally. Why? Because we are talking to the right people at the right time with the right offer. But when leads are poorly segmented or cold, even the best pitch won't deliver strong results. Low quality leads drag down close ratios, inflate costs, and frustrate both agents and customers. The accuracy of targeting, whether based on demographics, purchase history, or creditworthiness, is often the single biggest driver of conversion performance. As trainers and leaders, our job is to help teams understand that great results don't start at the dial, they start before the call is even made, with smart segmentation and precise targeting. Let's focus on the human engine behind every successful conversion: agent skills and training. Strong product knowledge, persuasive communication, and sharp objection handling skills are the backbone of high close ratios. But it goes deeper than just technique. Agents who can truly listen, empathize, and align the value proposition with customer needs are the ones who close more deals consistently. And here's the key: skills are built, not born. Continuous sales coaching, live call calibrations, and role-playing exercises are proven ways to sharpen these abilities and elevate performance across the floor. As trainers and leaders, our goal is to turn good agents into trusted advisors, confident, customer-focused professionals who know how to convert conversations into results. Let's talk about a game changer in conversion performance: call scripts and messaging. The way we communicate on a call can make the difference between a missed opportunity and a closed deal. Rigid, robotic scripts may keep the process structured, but they often create a wall instead of a bridge, leading to low customer engagement and poor connection. On the other hand, dynamic, AI-assisted, or personalized scripts help agents build real rapport, adapt to customer cues, and deliver conversations that feel natural. This flexibility often translates into higher close ratios and better customer experiences. That's why script design must balance structure with flexibility, giving agents a strong foundation while empowering them to personalize the message. As trainers and leaders, it's our responsibility to equip agents with smart, adaptive scripts that guide, not dictate, turning conversations into meaningful outcomes. Let's now explore a critical driver of conversion: customer intent and readiness. The intent behind the interaction plays a huge role in determining whether a conversation ends in a close or a missed opportunity. Inbound calls, where the customer takes the first step, often carry much higher close ratios because the intent is already strong. In contrast, outbound cold calls typically face more resistance, not because the offer is weak, but because the timing and readiness may not align. And timing is everything. Reaching a customer when they're in a decision window dramatically increases the chances of success. As trainers and leaders, we must help our teams understand intent signals, read timing cues, and engage customers when they're most ready to say yes. It's not just about making more calls, it's about making the right call at the right time. Let's talk about a powerful conversion lever: offer attractiveness. No matter how skilled the agent or how strong the pitch, if the offer itself doesn't resonate, the close becomes a lot harder. Attractive offers, like smart discounts, bundled deals, flexible payment plans, or loyalty rewards, give customers a clear reason to say yes. They create urgency, build value, and make the decision easier. But when the offer is weak or priced poorly compared to competitors, even the best conversation struggles to convert. The customer simply doesn't see enough value to move forward. As trainers and leaders, our job is to help teams position the offer strategically, highlighting its value, its benefits, and why it stands out. Because when the offer is strong, closing becomes a natural outcome, not a hard push. Let's explore an often underestimated but highly impactful conversion driver: timing and contact strategy. The time of day and frequency of contact attempts can make or break your close ratio. A well-timed call, when the customer is most likely to engage, can dramatically increase success. Take collections, for example. Calling around payday often results in significantly higher close ratios, simply because the timing aligns with the customer's ability to act. But there's another side to the story. Overcalling can lead to call fatigue, frustration, and even higher churn risk, hurting both conversion and brand trust. As trainers and leaders, our role is to help teams master the rhythm of outreach, contacting customers at the right time, with the right frequency, and the right message. Because in sales and collections, when you call can be just as important as what you say. Let's talk about one of the biggest enablers of modern contact center performance: technology and tools. When the right technology is in place, every conversation becomes smarter and more effective. With CRM integration, agents have the customer's full history at their fingertips, allowing them to craft personalized, relevant pitches that build trust and drive conversions. Predictive dialers boost connection rates, ensuring agents spend more time speaking with real customers and less time waiting. And with AI Agent Assist, teams get real-time rebuttals, upsell suggestions, and sentiment insights that give them a competitive edge during the call. Simply put, better tools lead to smarter conversations, and smarter conversations lead to higher closure rates. As trainers and leaders, it's our responsibility to ensure our teams don't just have the tools, but know how to use them to win every interaction. Let's talk about one of the most powerful, yet often overlooked, conversion drivers: customer trust and relationship history. When you're speaking with existing customers who have had positive prior experiences, the close often happens faster and with less resistance. Why? Because trust is already established. They've experienced the brand, they believe in the service, and they're more open to engaging. But when dealing with new prospects or customers who have had negative experiences, the dynamic shifts. The agent has to work harder to rebuild credibility before earning the right to close. Remember, brand reputation and past service quality carry real weight in every interaction. As trainers and leaders, it's our role to help agents leverage trust when it's there and rebuild it with care when it's not. Because in sales, trust isn't just an advantage, it's often the deciding factor. Let's talk about something that sits outside the contact center, but heavily influences its performance: market and external factors. No matter how strong the team or the script, economic conditions set the tone. In a growth phase, customers are more open to spending or committing. But during a recession, hesitation rises, and close ratios can drop even with the best efforts. Competitor offers and industry trends also shape customer behavior. If the market is flooded with better pricing or more attractive deals, your pitch has to work harder to stand out. And let's not forget regulatory frameworks like TCPA, GDPR, and TRAI. They're essential guardrails but can limit outreach attempts, influencing both strategy and results. As trainers and leaders, our role is to help teams understand these external forces so they can adapt their approach intelligently. Because true performance excellence isn't just about what happens on the call, it's about how we navigate the environment around it. Let's talk about a key performance accelerator: incentives and motivation. In a contact center, what gets measured and rewarded shapes how agents perform. When incentive plans are tied to conversions, not just call volume, agents naturally focus on quality conversations that lead to real outcomes. This alignment boosts motivation, accountability, and close ratios. But when the focus is on volume alone, performance suffers. Agents may prioritize quantity over impact, making more calls but closing fewer deals. As trainers and leaders, it's our responsibility to ensure incentive structures drive the right behaviors. When motivation is aligned with meaningful results, teams don't just work harder, they work smarter, and conversion rates rise as a result. Let's bring it all together with a clear picture of what truly drives the call-to-close ratio. This metric isn't shaped by a single factor, it's the combined outcome of several powerful levers working in sync. On the lead side, it's all about quality, targeting, and timing. On the agent side, skills, training, and motivation set the tone for success. On the process side, well-crafted scripts, strong offers, and smart dialing strategies make every call count. On the technology side, CRM systems, AI support, and predictive dialers turn information into impact. On the customer side, intent, trust, and readiness influence how fast and how often we can close. And on the external side, economic conditions, regulations, and competition shape the environment we operate in. Simply put, strong targeting plus skilled agents plus smart tools plus great offers is equal to higher call-to-close ratio. As trainers and leaders, our mission is to orchestrate these elements not in isolation, but as a powerful, integrated strategy that turns effort into measurable results. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.